Hello everybody and welcome to Chinese for Beginners. My name is Oliver. Before we start, I have to tell you two things. First of all, please don't put too much time and energy in learning the tones, because the tones in real daily conversation are not really important. Just expand your vocabulary. And second, if I write Chinese with our ABC Roman letters, then the letter X, is pronounced like sh, as in she, sh. So the X is pronounced as sh. Let me first tell you how to greet in Chinese. Hello in Chinese is you good, which is ni.
你
Hao.
好
Ni hao together means you good. And if you want to make it into a question, then you have to add ma at the end.
吗
Ma stands for the question mark, so are you good is ni hao ma. To reply to such a question, you would normally say I very good, thanks. I, that's 我.
我
Very, that's 很.
很
You already know good, that's 好. And if 谢 means thank, then the plural 谢谢 means thanks.
谢谢
Normally the person will give you a counter question, are you good? And you can reply, I also very good. Also is yeah.
也
Now let's have a look at dialogue 1. 你好，
你好，
你好吗？
我很好，谢谢。你好吗？
我也很好，谢谢。And now that you made such a wonderful Chinese friend, you start dreaming. And in your dream you need two verbs. To like is 喜欢,
喜欢
and to love is 爱.
爱
If ever you don't understand somebody in Chinese, then you just say what? 什么?
什么
Now let's have a look at a visualization of your dream. 我喜欢你。
我也喜欢你。
什么？
我也喜欢你。
我爱你。
我也爱你。
什么？
我也爱你。
But now let's stop dreaming and get back to reality. Learn a few more words. No or not is 不.
不
And not at all in Chinese is at all not. 并不.
并不
The question why in Chinese is for what. You already know what, 什么. For what, 为什么.
为什么
To hate, 讨厌.
讨厌
And finally, to say go away, you say 滚, which is like gun with a W after the first G. 滚.
滚
So now let's have a look at dialogue 3, what really happened. 我喜欢你。
我不喜欢你。
什么？
我并不喜欢你。
为什么？
我讨厌你。
什么？
我讨厌你。滚滚
Now let's have a look at the three dialogues again, but this time without subtitles. 你好。
你好，
你好吗？
我很好，谢谢。你好吗？
我也很好，谢谢。我喜欢你。
我也喜欢你。
什么？
我也喜欢你。
我爱你。
我也爱你。
什么？
我也爱你。
我喜欢你。
我不喜欢你。
什么？
我并不喜欢你。
为什么？
我讨厌你。
什么？
我讨厌你。滚滚。
Well, I hope you all liked this introduction lesson. This is Wawa. And this is me. Bye bye. 我喜欢你。
我也喜欢你。